welcome to my kitchen, which is going to be our lab for today. So we're going to be doing the magic milk experiment. All right, guys, and in this experiment, normally it's kind of a choose your own adventure experiment. You can either manipulate the temperature of the milk or the fat content. So I chose to manipulate the fat content for this video. So today we're going to be testing whole milk, reduced fat 2% milk, and fat-free milk today, just to see kind of what the difference is in this experiment, okay? So I'm gonna start with whole milk. And so for our setup, the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to pour the milk to just cover the bottom of this plate. All right, and then I'm gonna add a drop of food coloring to each side of the plate. So some blue, yellow, red, and green. All right, guys, so I've added my food coloring, and next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to dip a Q-tip into Dawn dishwashing detergent, and I'm going to put it just into the middle. All right, and you guys need to pay close attention to what happens. I'm gonna leave it in there for like maybe a minute. Shadow might be blocking it, so I'm going to switch hands really quickly. Still shadowy, but hopefully you guys can see there's some yellow right there actually coming in, going out. You can start to see some faint traces of blue and green as well. That was whole milk. All right. You can see it's kind of fun to play with it afterwards too. All right, so that's whole milk. Okay, next thing, sorry, and the whole milk had 13 grams of fat. I don't know if I said that. All right, so now we're gonna reduce our fat content and we're gonna test 2% milk. And my 2% has 7 grams of fat. So you would record this under whole milk room temperature. This one you'll record under manipulated variable number 1. And we are decreasing the fat content here. So we're gonna test our 2% milk. So just like last time, I'm going to add my drops of food coloring again. So blue, yellow, red, and green. All right, here we go. Start to see some blue and some green coming through. Maybe a little bit of red right there. Oh, a little yellow right there too. I don't know if y'all can see very well. All right. Now then let's do the last one. So in our last one, we are using fat-free milk. So this has 0 grams of fat in it, and we're gonna use fat-free milk. All right. So once again, adding my food coloring. All right. Here we go, last time. So we can already see some yellow and a little bit of red even, blue. Okay, so let that run for a few minutes. All right, guys, so now what you're going to do is you may need to re-watch each of the experiments again, just to make sure you've got really good observations written down. You may have written good observations down, but just in case, you may need to watch each of the 3 of them again, and then answer the data questions or the lab analysis questions at the end. All right, bye.